Most people get this wrong. They choose a secured credit card based only on approval ease, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring how each card actually builds your credit over time. In this video, we are comparing Discover It Secured versus OpenSky in 2026, and helping you decide which one is truly better for building credit from scratch. Let's start with the basics. Both cards are designed for people with low or no credit history. They help you build credit by reporting your payments to the major credit bureaus. But they work in very different ways. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Discover It Secured card is a secured card that requires a refundable deposit. That deposit becomes your credit limit. So if Alex puts down $300, that becomes his spending limit. Every payment he makes is reported to all major credit bureaus, and over time, this helps build a strong credit profile. It also offers cashback rewards, which is rare for a secured card. But here's the problem beginners overlook. It requires upfront money. If you do not have savings for a deposit, approval becomes harder to access immediately. Now let's look at OpenSky. The OpenSky secured credit card is different because it does not require a credit check. That means even if Jake has no credit history at all, he can still get approved. This makes it extremely accessible for people starting from zero. But here's where the trade-off comes in. OpenSky requires a security deposit as well, but it focuses more on accessibility than rewards or long-term benefits. It is designed purely for credit building, not earning perks. Now let's break it down step by step. Discover It Secured is better if you want rewards, strong credit reporting, and a path to upgrading into premium credit cards later. It is more structured and widely respected in the credit system. OpenSky is better if your main problem is getting approved in the first place. It removes the credit check barrier completely, which makes it easier for beginners or people rebuilding after financial issues. In a minute, I'll show you a simple rule that tells you instantly which secured card you should pick based on your situation without overthinking. Now, let's simplify everything. If your priority is long-term credit growth, cashback rewards and a clear upgrade path, Discover It Secured is the stronger choice. If your priority is easy approval with no credit history, OpenSky is more accessible. Let's summarize clearly. Discover It Secured is better for long-term value and rewards. OpenSky is better for guaranteed approval and simplicity. Both build credit, but they serve different starting points. If this helped you understand Discover It Secured versus OpenSky in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit card comparisons like this.